Good morning, it's Maya here. I'm here with baby Gray. I don't know if y'all can see her, but we are on our way to our first play date, well, her first play date, and we're excited. We're going to Hodges family farm. It's like a pumpkin patch farm type vibe in Charlotte, North Carolina. Yeah, so we're gonna meet my friend Alasia and her son to go to the pumpkin patch. It's a little warmer outside than I intended it to be, so we kind of got on long sleeves because it is in the middle of October, but it's feeling like 80 something degrees, but it says 70 something. It said like 75 degrees. I'm like, okay, it's gonna be a little breeze or whatever, but no, it's feeling closer to summer. So I brought some extra clothes just in case, but yeah. I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie, because this is my first like mommy date with like another mom. Even though this is my friend, you know, it's just still nervous, because like nerve-wracking for me, because I don't have any other friends with kids like that are Grace's age. So it's just kind of like, oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I'm going on a date kind of nervous. Oh my gosh, she just texted me and said that her baby just threw up after he got dressed. After she got him dressed. So I'm gonna text her back in a second. But yes, getting a baby dressed is like, when you have somewhere to be at a certain time, is like a lot. Like Gray literally took a shit right when I was about to put her clothes on. So thankfully I hadn't put her clothes on yet, so it was, you know, nothing to just change her diaper. But what if she did it right after I put her clothes on? But yeah, so yeah, I'm just telling y'all how nervous I am, and I don't know, I feel like it's the start of something new, like going on play dates, mommy dates. It's so nice. I love this life. Alright, I'm gonna talk to you later for real now. Fun fact about Gray, she does not like when we are in the car and I'm not playing music. It's like she cuts up, and then as soon as I put the music on, she all good. It's like, mommy, I need the vibes. Like, what are you doing? So I know y'all hear her whining. So I'm about to play her some music and get out this phone. Say hey. Say hey, JJ. Playdate. You smiling? You smiling for the people? What you gonna tell them? What you gonna tell them? You gonna say hi? Look at him tearing it up. Hi, Jaylen. Say hey. You gonna be walking and stuff. I should have brought the little carrier. Oh, for her? Yeah. Next time I'll be more prepared. Are you having a good time? Say hey, Miss Alasia.
Look, he's so strong. He's holding on. I can't even let go.
Jay, what you doing? The slobber lip.
Look at the little girl. You smiling at my... Look, son.
Is she looking too?
She looking, she's
oh
smiling.
Lord, I can't show your daddy this video.
Ooh, you smiling at the... Ooh. Ooh.
Hey. Hey, Stink.
And why you looking at the old? See,
like, I'm looking at the mama.
Mama, no.
Hey. You gonna say that's your cousin? Y'all cousins. Y'all don't get down like
Y'all
that.
can't do all of that, okay? That's your cousin.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta get a good one for the cover. You're not even smiling for real. You smile any other time, Brody. Look.
Don't be looking too hard.
I ain't gonna tell his daddy. I'm gonna tell his daddy. He gonna be like, oh yeah, be jitsu. He trying to he trying to stand up on her. Look at how she looking. Look at how he look. What's that move, son? Oh. Such a happy baby for real.
Yes. Say hello. You gonna say hi, mommy? Okay, wait. Oh. Wait, all in the camera.
You singing? You singing to her? Okay, Lisa.
You gonna stand up, mama?
Okay. Is that funny? Look how she looks.